Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review and analyze the latest gadgets and gizmos on the market. Today, we've got something special for you: the ASHATA unlocked Android smartphone cell phone. This could very well be the best front camera cell phone you've been looking for. Stick around as we dive into all the details. Let's kick things off with a quick overview of the ASHATA unlocked Android smartphone cell phone. This sleek and stylish device boasts a 6.26-inch Full HD water drop screen, offering a stunning visual experience for all your content. But what sets this smartphone apart? Well, it's not just about looks. With a 2-megapixels front camera and a 2-megapixels rear camera, this phone is designed to capture those special moments with clarity and precision. Now, let's talk about the impressive features of this ASHATA smartphone. It runs on Android 8.1, giving you access to a world of apps and functionalities. The ASHATA smartphone is not just a pretty face, it's packed with power. With 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage, you'll have plenty of room for all your apps, games, and media. And speaking of power, this device comes with a 1950 mAh battery, ensuring you stay charged throughout your day. No more worrying about running out of juice. So, what's it like to use the ASHATA unlocked Android smartphone cell phone in your daily life? Well, it's a breeze. The dual SIM card support allows you to stay connected, and features like face recognition make unlocking your phone a futuristic experience. Whether you're browsing the web, using GPS for navigation, or enjoying your favorite tunes via Bluetooth, this smartphone has you covered. Now, let's wrap things up. The ASHATA unlocked Android smartphone cell phone is a budget-friendly option for those who want a reliable device with a great front camera. It may not have all the bells and whistles of high-end smartphones, but it offers a solid performance for everyday use. So, if you're in the market for an affordable smartphone that gets the job done and captures your moments beautifully, the ASHATA smartphone might be the one for you. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.